Guys, look at this. This is so interesting. I never saw like this, like gather like this. This is I'm sorry, I sound like a little child. I'm amazed, but God's beautiful creation. I guess they're about to scatter all back into where they came from. But look at this. It was like all of them just gathered into one place, into one area. Wow. Very interesting. How did it make this happen? How did this make this happen? Let everything that have breath praise the Lord. Alright, I think there's good view there. I guess they're about to save Tata now. And if we don't praise him, why not? Let the birds praise him, right? I'm just playing. Thank you for viewing.